I'm heading to the notary now to sign the deed of a property sale with a client of mine. Today is one of those moments that reminds me why I choose this profession. Not because of a transaction, but because of the relationships that are built over time. When trust is real, business becomes something much deeper than a signature. In Spain, the notary is not a formality. It's the final confirmation that everything has been prepared correctly, legally and transparently. When you reach this stage, the work has already been done.
I've got your check, but I'm not sure if I'm going to let you.
The notary moment itself is usually quiet and simple. What matters is the process that leads there. Careful decisions, proper verification, and enough time for everyone to feel comfortable moving forward. That's how you avoid pressure. That's how you protect relationships. After the paperwork, I like to slow things down. Not as a celebration, but as a moment of transition. Because for me, the relationship doesn't end when the deal is done. Everything is done now, but the most important thing is not the signature itself. It's how easy, calm, and clear was the process from the beginning. Good real estate decisions are rarely rushed. They are built with patience, clarity, and respect for everyone involved. This is how I work, and this is how long-term trust is created. Success in real estate for me means that everyone involved in the transaction can leave the deal feeling confident and protected. I can just mention this relationship I have with Richard, this client. We are friends for many years now. He trusted me to sell his property after 1 year of this friendshipness. For us, we always see the relationship first and then the transaction after. In this deal in particular, it took 5 months after the reservation for us to sign a notary deed because the lawyers were talking between them, representing the seller and the buyer, to align the documents so the deal feel really safe for both parts. And normally the notaries are around the Golden Mile, around the old town Marbella. In Spanish we called it Casco Antiguo. Beautiful to come here on this area to appreciate this beautiful landscape around the Golden Mile, Puente Romano, Marbella Club, and you can then enjoy the lifestyle at the same time you are creating good relationship, long-lasting relationships, by the way, and working professionally as much as possible.